12, yeah, 12 in the afternoon. So we're going to boil it. Yes, 12 in the afternoon. Like, what time is in your place? So do you come at the same time every day? Not really. I don't have exact time, but whenever I'm free, and I can cook. I do live, but there's no exact time. Like, what time in your place is it right now? We're going to use. We're going to cover it. I don't have specific time, guys. I just, randomly go live. I have actually work today, but I skip it because I'm not feeling well. So I think I need this soup. So we're going to make it boil, and then we're going to add this one. This is moringa, or in our place, this is called malunggay. Also, another green leafy thing. This is chili leaves. We're at 10 o'clock here. If you come every day, then Mexico opens at this time from 7 to 12:30. I see. 3 hours ahead of you. Okay. No. TV cut. Why no? Okay. So I'm 3 hours ahead of you. Time difference, huh? Hey. So it's boiling. Let's open it. See. We're going to make sure that the squash is cooked. Not yet cooked. Yes, 3 hours ahead of you, I guess. From where are you? From Africa, South Africa, right? You are from South Africa, right? Am I right? How much time will it take? Maybe like 30 minutes or 25. Indian. I see. Sorry about that. I forgot. Okay. I see. Yeah. You're from India. From where are you in India? Like, I forgot, sorry.